G'day guys. All right, so what we have here, I've got some of my data. I've got about 14 records at the moment. Records are the rows, and the columns are called fields in databases, okay? Now, I've asked you to divide your data entries into two tables, and initially that was quite hard for you to do. But once we created the form, whose purpose is to make data entry a lot easier, okay, we found that it's a lot quicker to enter data now, okay? So that was activity two where we created a form, and you can make the form look a bit better by using layout view, by using design view, by entering pictures and colors and so forth. But I'm just going to keep it simple for now. All right, so now I'm just going to go and create a new record via my form now, so you can know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to go new park. It's on new road. All right, it's got a made up postcode, and I'm just going to click randomly a few items there. Now, I can just do that continually, all right? But then if I want to update my table, I simply click refresh, and as you can see, it's all there. Refresh again. There we go. Fantastic. So all the new records are there now. So hopefully that makes you understand how much easier it is to use a form to enter data. Now, in prior activities, we made sure our tables were related using our primary key. But what we want to know now is just how to do queries, just like you'll do Google searches. Google searches are essentially queries of every website on the planet. All right, so we're just going to do a simple query because you can do queries using SQL or SQL, which is pretty much a coding language to do with databases. That's a little bit more involved. We only have a 4 or 5 week period here to understand databases and their functionality. So we're going to go to create query, use a query wizard. All right. So we're going to do a simple query. All right, and it's asking you what kind of table you want to get certain information from. So I just want to get the park name from my table, and my favorite piece of equipment at a park is the slippery dip. All right, we're going to get a slide. That's all I want to know. Okay, it's going to make me really easy, make it really easy for me. All right, to know which parks have slides. So I'll go finish. All right, here, good. So there you go. It's minimized the information from those two tables that I've created to get stuff that I require. Okay, so I'm either going to Old School, Coolangatta, Lestrange Park, Seaforth Park, Don Lucas Reserve, or Hilly Queens, Centenary, Allison, or the new one. Okay, all right. So what we have there, that is essentially one query. You need to do three for your assignment. Okay, doing queries which get information from both tables show me that you have related or made a relational database, and so you probably want at least one of those. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is basically how you do a simple query. Any questions regarding that, let me know. Next activity, we're going to be looking into doing reports and so on. So hopefully that helps you for part 3, and I'll see you.